Personal loans help people to meet financial emergencies, and it has become quite convenient to avail loans with the advent of digital lending platforms. When opting for a loan instrument, people look at all the possible options and compare the interest rates before making a final decision. Rising interest rates on loans have prompted people to start relooking at the debt options, focusing on whether they want to pay loans through higher EMIs or opt for extended loan tenure. Among all the possible loan options available, loans against credit cards and pledging mutual funds have become one of the popular modes. In this video, let us understand the key difference between them. Loans against credit cards are a sort of personal loan where one can easily apply for an instant loan, that too without any documentation. While it is a kind of unsecured loan, it is the best option for those who need immediate cash to deal with financial emergencies. Also, it may come with lower interest rates in certain cases. Whereas, if you are looking for a personal loan, you can avail credit by pledging mutual fund investment. In such cases, investors provide their units as a collateral to the banks while still holding the ownership. Loan against mutual fund works on the concept of loan to value and can be availed against both equity and debt funds. The amount of loan you can get against your mutual funds holdings largely depends on the type of mutual fund scheme you have invested in and the financial institution from which you will borrow. For more such informative videos, do follow Zee Business.